Come do these cute snowflake nails with me. As you can see, I started off by prepping my nails with a base coat, and now I'm going in with a glittery red. Now I'm going in with white, a dotting tool, and a detail brush, and I'm going to start the snowflake with some dots. Then I'm going to take the detail brush and outline a cross shape, and then I'm going to add some more dots on either side and connect them for a snowflake effect. And I'm just going to do the same exact thing on my ring fingernail, going in with the detail brush and the dotting tool, and then adding some more dots and connecting them. And now I'm sealing that all in with a top coat.